Hi everyone, this is Nizam from Acadle. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm here to announce an interesting feature that is called segments and outreach. So we have two features that we've already launched, and that should be available in your accounts by now. So segments is nothing but you can segregate your users based on their behavior inside your academy. So when I say segregate users, you can add multiple conditions. It can be a single condition or it can be a combination of multiple conditions. For example, you can use and or sort of conditions. For example, let's say if you want to segregate users based on their course completion, um, whether they completed a particular course, or whether you want to segregate and name a user who's registered in the last 10 days and not completed a particular course. Or it can even be that the user did not log in the last, let's say, 5 days or 10 days. So this is how you segregate them and store them as segments. Then based on these segments, the reach out functionality will help you send dynamic emails to them. So it can be a one-time email, or this can be a ongoing dynamic email. For example, whenever a new user is added to that segment, a new email can be sent by the system automatically. For example, I'll give you some samples. When let's say a particular course X is completed, and if you want to send a communication to the users who completed a course X and upsell some courses or upsell some services, or prompt them to take another course which is there in the system already, right? So you can create a condition in such a way that, okay, users who registered in the last 10 days and completed this course X or not completed this course Y uh, can be created as a segment. Then whenever a new user matching that condition will be added to that particular segment, and using the reach out tool, you can create an email saying that, hey, wonderful that you read or that you finished this particular course, and this is something that we can do for you. Or great that as you're already aware of this particular terminology which is covered in the course X, these are the other YZ things that you can probably look at. So here what you're trying to do is you're trying to create more of an interactive conversation in real time with your users, employees, and customers. When it comes to customer engagement, this will be very, very useful to talk about a product use case. Let's say you have a course highlighting a particular feature inside your tool. The moment they finish it, you can talk about you can put something about how that particular feature can be used to get the best outcome, right? So there are multiple use cases. It's all about how you want to use this. And I'll quickly show you how where this is coming. So this is here in the segments menu, as you can see on top. I click on segments. I can actually create my segments by clicking here. Just put a name to the segment, whatever name that you want to put in, because this name is going to be important for you to select when you talk about creating reach out. And for this name, I can put a condition here. Condition can be all of the following, or then they match any of the following. So this all of the following is like an and condition, wherein they have to match condition 1, condition 2, and condition 3. Then only they'll be added to the segment. For example, they should be minimum active for 10 days and they should be completing an next course. If this is the condition, then users who completed a particular course and also in the system from last 10 days will only be added to this. Even if the user is only 5 days but completed, will not be added. So even if it is or condition, meaning any of the conditions that are getting matched, they'll be added to this. For example, it can be registered a particular date ago, or it can be last logged in a particular days ago, or they belong to a particular country, or they belong to, let's say, courses in progress, or it's not completed yet, sort of. Then if a particular quiz is completed or not. So you have there are multiple conditions that you can look at, and once you save it and when you click on result, this will go back and take all the users that are matching this particular condition, and that will be available for you to see as a list inside this particular segment. And you can create multiple segments like this. Then this is the other feature where you can send them a email, and there are some parameters also, by the way. If you want to dynamically bring the name of the academy to the title, so this is a subject variable that you can simply copy and paste here. So the moment you click, it will be copied. So that is one way that you can do it. Or if you want to just say hi and dynamically use a name, then just copy that and write your own wordings that you want to do. And just what you should do is you simply choose whatever that you want to mention in the footer and select the segment where you want to send. So I created a segment called name. And if I want to just send now and not every time when a new user is added, then I can click on this one time. Or if I want to send this email whenever a new user is added, whenever a new user is added to the segment, then I can click on this every change and save it. Similarly, once it is sent, all the campaigns will be listed here. You can see what is the campaign segment, how many recipients are there, when was it created, and all the actions such as how many people have seen, viewed, etc. So a very very interesting feature and very very useful feature for you to go and engage with your users, customers, employees, etc. So let us know if you have any feedback. We'll be happy to assist you with more help, and reach out to this chat, support anytime you're in. So thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.